Hello everyone, Caesar here again. Today I'm smoking on my Sassini pipe. See here? A pretty decent billiard with a large bowl. It has a really large bowl. Awesome. And today I wanted to try out a new tobacco I was keeping inside my, my cellar. And it is some Stave-Aged Virginia. It is a celebration blend from McClelland. It is celebrating its 35 years, and it's a Virginia-based blend. It has a ribbon cut, and it also is aged with a piece of barrel, of whiskey barrel. It is very, very good. Awesome. I wanted to try something new today. I don't know. Feeling a little celebrating spirit. So I looked at my tobaccos, all the ones that I have already opened and the ones that I have yet to open. And I don't know, I love Virginias. And I saw this one and I said, okay, let's do it. And let's do it on my Sassini pipe, which is also a very, very nice pipe indeed. But there's one thing I must say about this pipe. It gurgles a lot. So you better keep a lot of pipe cleaners around, because you have to clean it and dry it out sometimes. I'm not gonna review this blend for many reasons. First, it's the first bowl I smoked from this blend, and second, because I'm not a good reviewer. I watch all of you guys' reviews. I love them, and because I watch them, I say to myself that I can't review pipe tobaccos. I don't have all that the choice of words and also the taste buds all very ready to interpret a certain blend. I'll get there. Probably I'll get there. But for now, I'm not going to review this blend. What I can say, it is all Virginias here. And of course, it has a Virginia taste. That's why I chose to open this blend in the first place. But because of the whiskey barrel, it has a little bit of flavoring from the barrel itself, from the whiskey, and it is awesome. I mean, it really fits, because you have the sweet from the Virginia, and as much as you smoke the bowl, you start tasting the flavoring, the whiskey flavor that comes from the puffs, from each puff. And at least for me, in this first bowl, when I smoked the first quarter of the bowl, my mouth was already ready to start and appreciate the whiskey that I was puffing in. And I'm already, you can see the lighting is terrible, but I'm already on the last quarter of this bowl, And it's not that the whiskey taste started to overpower the Virginias. No. Once it got to your whole mouth, once you got tasting the whiskey in each puff, it stayed there. And then you can enjoy the Virginias and the whiskey together. And as I said, the Virginias are there, and the whiskey is there too, and it makes the smoke special. Anyway, that's my comment, not a review. I also would like to show you guys my Zippo. It's a pipe lighter, and look, it is awesome because it has this detail here in red, and it has a pipe insert. I really like this Zippo. I was already looking at it on an internet site here. Just one second, I'm gonna relight my pipe. I don't want to miss this smoke. Anyway, I was looking at this Zippo, and as I told you guys in the beginning of the year, on January, I went to France, and when I saw this Zippo, I mean, that I said to myself, that's now. I'm not gonna wait anymore. Then I bought it. I already had a Zippo pipe lighter, a silver one, and I don't know, since the beginning I wanted to get me a golden Zippo, a golden pipe lighter, a golden Zippo pipe lighter. That was my goal. But here in Brazil, they are kind of hard to get to come here, and they are even harder to come as a pipe lighter, the Zippos I mean. And something else about Zippos, that here in Brazil, they are expensive lighters. So they're not as common as you guys may think. When I saw this Zippo in France, I said, that's mine. And then I bought a regular gold Zippo to myself also. I haven't used it yet, but it's there in its box, and I'll use it soon. It doesn't have a pipe insert, but I'll keep it this way. I know you guys already told me, or not told me, you told in your videos that you can send your pipe or your Zippo to the Zippo company, and it changes the pipe insert for free. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna stay with the regular insert, and I'll just bend the lighter to light up my pipe. Anyway, that's it. I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit. I ended up making not a very long video, but longer than what I expected. So keep enjoying your pipes, keep enjoying your lighters. And as I record my videos, I'm gonna show what I bought in France and what I already bought when I came back here. Be patient, and I'll be too, because I'm a little anxious to try them out, the pipes and the lighters. So talk to you guys later. Bye bye.